What causes athletes to lose skills in high-pressure sport? Imagine you're about to take the final shot in a basketball game, and suddenly your hands feel shaky, your mind races, and your perfect technique slips away. That's what happens when athletes lose skills in high-pressure situations. So, what really causes this? When athletes face intense pressure, their brains react differently. Anxiety levels spike, which can mess with their focus and make them overthink movements that are normally automatic. This overthinking is called the skill focus effect. Instead of just doing what they know, athletes start analyzing every step, which slows down their performance. Another big factor is distraction. Under stress, athletes become more easily pulled away by worries or irrelevant thoughts. Instead of paying attention to the game or their cues, their mind drifts to fears of failure or criticism. This distraction makes it harder to stay in the moment and perform well. Research shows that distraction often plays a bigger role than overthinking. When athletes are distracted, they miss important cues, which leads to mistakes. For example, a tennis player might forget their usual serve motion because they are worried about losing the point. Fear of failure and self-criticism also increase when pressure mounts. These feelings shake a player's confidence and lower their belief in their own skills. When confidence drops, even well-practiced skills can seem out of reach. Mental toughness and motivation can also suffer under pressure. If an athlete feels overwhelmed or doubts their ability, their focus weakens and their skills can fade. Concentration becomes difficult and errors become more common. To deal with this, sports psychologists teach athletes mental skills like relaxation techniques, positive self-talk, and visualization. These tools help manage anxiety, keep focus sharp, and boost confidence. Practical methods include psychological skills training, which helps athletes learn to control their arousal levels and stay focused. Attribution training encourages athletes to see mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures, reducing fear and self-criticism. Focus strategies teach athletes to concentrate on relevant cues, like their breathing or the ball, instead of distracting thoughts. In the end, losing skills in high-pressure sports mainly happens because anxiety disrupts attention and emotional control. Overthinking or distraction can take over, making athletes second-guess themselves. Sports psychology techniques aim to build mental resilience so athletes can stay calm, focused, and perform their best even when stakes are high.